Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that has taken the world of action cameras by storm, the GoPro MAX2 with its incredible accessory bundle. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. So, what exactly is the GoPro MAX2? It's a versatile 360-degree action camera that allows you to capture breathtaking 8K video without the need to frame your shot meticulously. Just hit the shutter button, and the MAX2 takes care of the rest, recording everything around you in stunning detail. Whether you're filming your latest adventure, a family gathering, or just a casual day out, this camera ensures you won't miss a moment. Let's talk about some of the standout features that make the GoPro MAX2 a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their video content. First and foremost, the 8K 360 video capability is a game-changer. You can immerse your audience with ultra-high-definition footage that feels like they're right there with you. Once you've captured your footage, the GoPro Quick app allows you to reframe your 360 videos into traditional 4K formats effortlessly, making sharing and playback a breeze. Another notable feature is the invisible mounting capability, which is particularly appealing for creative filmmakers and adventurers alike. With the included 4-foot extension pole, you can attach the MAX2 to it, and the pole will vanish from your shots. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities, allowing you to create stunning selfies that appear to be filmed by someone else or impressive drone-like shots without the need for an actual drone. The MAX2 also shines in terms of point-of-view footage. It allows you to maximize your creativity with various angles and perspectives, making it perfect for capturing dynamic follow-cam footage or immersive selfies. The Quick App's reframing feature lets you adjust video stabilization and horizon lock after recording, so you can fine-tune your content to perfection. Durability is another strong point for the GoPro MAX2. It comes with replaceable glass lenses that are not only water-repelling but also made from strong optical glass. If a lens gets scratched during your adventures, you won't have to worry about replacing the entire camera, just swap out the damaged lens and get back to recording without losing image quality. Now, who is the GoPro MAX2 suitable for? This camera is ideal for adventurers, travelers, content creators, and anyone who loves capturing life's moments in a unique and immersive way. Whether you're hiking, biking, surfing, or simply documenting everyday life, the MAX2 caters to all your creative needs. Practical use cases for the GoPro MAX2 are virtually endless. Think about recording your thrilling mountain bike ride, creating a family vacation montage, or even documenting a day at the beach with friends. The ability to capture everything around you means you can relive those moments from any angle later on, which is a fantastic way to preserve memories. In summary, the GoPro MAX2 with its accessory bundle, including the 4-foot extension pole, extra batteries, and a 64GB micro SD card, equips you with everything you need to get started on your adventure. The 8K video capability, invisible mounting, and replaceable lenses make it a powerhouse for any content creator looking to elevate their game. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.